Hi, today we're going to see how to make wheels spin in GIMP. I will put the link of this image in the description box. So the first thing we need to is to press the plus key on the keyboard to zoom in here on the wheel, to be more precise. So here it is. Now select the ellipse selection tool. Make sure to check the expand from center and then check the fixed. And now I'm going to make selection here of the wheel. So I'm just going to go from the center and just make my selection. So here try to select only the wheel, so here. So I think here it's okay. And now press enter to confirm this selection. So there's still some part here, so left click. And now I'm going to uncheck the expand from center and then the fixed. And now I'm just going to visit here, the selection here to the right, and now press enter. And now I'm going to duplicate this layer so that I can see a before and after. And now while the selection is active, go to filters, blur, and then circular motion blur. So here the center X and the center Y controls this line here. So for example, if I move it, so here it is, and now let's reset. And the angle controls the spin. So I'm going to increase it to here like this. So here I think it's too much. So I think I will leave it here. It's okay. And now click. So I'm going to increase it. So here it is, and now press OK. And now go to select none to remove selection. So here's the before and after. So I'm going to do the second wheel. So here select the ellipse selection tool. Let's check the expand from center and then the fixed. And now just as before. So here now I'm going to uncheck it. Then I'm going to expand the selection here to the right. So here it is. And then I'm going to expand it a little bit to the left. Now press enter. And now I just want to repeat the same filter with the same amount. So go to filters and then just click on repeat circular motion blur. So here it is. And now go to select none. So here it is. Now press minus key on your keyboard to zoom out. So here's the before and after. So I think that's it. That's how you can make wheels spin in GIMP. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day and till next time.